Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and for those who have just joined us, thank you guys as well. So this is an analysis of my drawings for this week, well for this morning I should say. So this is the first one. There will be others behind this, but yes, this is the first one, so we'll just get to it. If you don't know any of the terms I'm about to use, please let me know and I will explain it. And sorry for the speed of my talking. If you need me to slow it down, please let me know as well. So for all three, it took 3 minutes per sketch. I'm utilising good speed and observational methods today. Well, I beg your pardon. This was purely observational. I tried a new approach, a new method, and it was purely observational, as I said. And this was to see if I could basically measure and gauge where each thing, each feature, each section should be just by measuring it against the other feature, if that makes sense. So this is of a ballerina's face again, and she was in the Swan Lake, so you can see some makeup detail. So I just kind of very lightly and very, it was more kind of gestural where the actual makeup detail would be. So that's why there's kind of lines around the eyes. Now, instead of the Loomis method, which I utilised previously, as I said, just wanted to see what method I could actually see what would work today, and this was observational. I believe for the first sketch of the day, and the fact that I've had two days off over the weekend, I think it's not too bad. I will obviously have to improve in different areas, like for instance the chin and the mouth is too far out compared to the rest of the face. It should be tucked in slightly more, so that one's more tucked in, but this one started to jut out, which is not what I wanted, but I did capture the eyes, which is something I've been kind of struggling with, especially if it's side on. So yeah, I'm really quite happy with that. And as I said, I took a different approach. I also took time in each line instead of going over and over and over, which I'd done previously, and that's why lines would be so much more heavy and also much more detailed, like this one from the past. So yeah, I'll keep going and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks guys, see you later.